9015 32nd Ave. I train TJ, so most of what he does is my own doing. So, 9015 32nd Ave Northeast. Dates June 10th, 2021. Making this recording from the clean out in the basement of the home. We're going to pull back from the city main sewer. We are sitting out in the middle of 32nd right now at the city main sewer. This is where the homeowner's responsibility ends. Sorry, lost my train of thought for a second. Homeowner's responsibility ends and the city takes over. So as we come back from this point, everything that we see is your responsibility. And Marge, the homeowner, standing here with me. So we're coming back into 6-inch, and ask any questions you like. This is a recording for you and I.
6-inch?
6-inch diameter as we come back out under the street. As we get back to your property, it'll get smaller and back to 4-inch, like the same size as this. So 6-inch diameter concrete sewer pipe. Very old. Can tell you exactly the year it was installed, but you can just tell by the wear and tear along the bottom of the pipe that it's been in the ground a while. And so same thing as like rain on a sidewalk. It's just making it rougher and wearing the concrete away slowly as you run water and sewage over this pipe. So it's slowly wearing the bottom away. Eventually what happens is you don't have a bottom anymore and you're just wearing the dirt away, and then you're eroding the dirt around and the pipe collapses. You're not at that point. So do not panic. 6-inch diameter pipe, there's a seam about every 2 feet. That's what a seam looks like there. That is a good looking seam. The seams are the weak spots in the pipe. The seams are also where the roots come through the pipe.
How many seams are there?
You got one about every 2 feet, so you got a lot. We're probably 80 or so feet out of the house once we leave this cast iron pipe, and we're in that concrete, so quite a few. You're seeing them as we come back here. But so far, so good. I'm not seeing a lot. I mean, there's minor root coming in there. Not enough to clog the pipe at all, but that may have been, yes, I believe that was our 4-inch by 6-inch diameter transition. So here we are at 6-inch pipe. We're going to call that 28 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe. And we're back on the property now into 4-inch diameter pipe. So I've zeroed out the footage to get a good accurate look at our footage on the 4-inch.
Is that under the house now, or?
Nope, we're still coming back onto the property. So we just crossed like where the sidewalk would be if there were a sidewalk out there. And now back onto your property. Coming back towards the garage. And it just gets more and more rough. That 4-inch pipe's a little thinner, so it wears away faster, and that's and there is another line entering the side of the pipe. I'm going to go outside and see if we can figure out what that is. But that is immediately following the end of the cast iron, so right into the driveway. It looks like there's some sort of a branch line sitting there.
Is that the drain from the floor? Oh, great.
Kitchen sink, your bathroom sink, your shower, your laundry, all that stuff. So we're coming back into the cast iron there. We're going to call that 24 feet of 4-inch diameter pipe. Another access point right as we get back in the cast. Should see that little drain hole somewhere here. I didn't see it, but it definitely goes in there. Or else it would not have backed up when that happened.